feature called Premium Printing. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to sign up for this feature, along with how to use it and some of the benefits of doing so. We'll get started by demoing how to sign up for this new feature. To navigate to Account Billing, here's where you have access to all the Pro features that are available to Hibbitts Auto Pro. You're going to want to select the Premium Printing option. It does have a free trial of 10 days for you to try it, explore it, see if it's a good fit for your business. If at any time it does not fit your needs, feel free to cancel and there's no charge. Alright, we've now signed up for it. My account has a credit card associated with it already. If you have not added a credit card for your account, when you click the sign up for a free trial button, it will prompt you to add a credit card at that point in time. Doing so does not charge your card. It is only a placeholder so that the subscription can start once the trial period is over. Now that you've signed up for this, it's $5 a month. We're going to look at some of the options that are available. To do so, you can select this Options button. This opens a new panel at the bottom of the page, which are options for premium printing. Here you have an option to choose between 3 different templates, and I encourage you to explore each of these templates in detail to see which one fits with your branding of your business, along with the needs that you have in regards to how you like to display your work orders and your invoices. I'm going to keep the default for now. I'm just going to click Save Options. Now to see what this looks like, I'm going to navigate to Work Order screen. I'm going to select a work order. This one's open. I have a work order here. It's got a number of items, tire rotation, headlight bulb, different things like that, different products and services. I want to preview what this invoice is going to look like. It opens up in a new tab, and this is the enhanced template, which will have the customer's information along with the vehicle information, and then our shop's information along with its logo and today's date. It has our products separated out from our services, along with our subtotals, taxes, and total. It includes any payment information and any notes associated with the work order that need to be shared on the invoice. And then lastly, it contains our shop name, a message that we can customize that's going to be on every invoice, and along with our contact information or phone number. I also have the option to download this as a PDF, or I can print this as a PDF by clicking this button at the top of the page. You'll often find that PDFs will print better rather than trying to print directly from a web page. So you're encouraged to use the PDF feature to have the most professional looking invoices. You can also download this. Some browsers will open this in a new tab, and other browsers may prompt for a file download. But you have the option to download this file for your personal records, or you can go ahead and print by selecting the print option. It's going to vary depending on the browser that you're actively using. That's it. That's how you sign up for it. That's how you use it. Thank you very much for using Hibbitts Auto Pro. As always, we welcome your feedback. If there's something here that we are missing, please let us know. We can get this added for you.